Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Biology Past Question 59. The diagram represents A. Axon, B. Dendrite, C. Neuron, D. Reflex arc, and E. Synapse. Now, this diagram here simply represents the diagram of a neuron. This is diagram of a neuron or a nerve cell. Now, neuron or nerve cell is a structural and functional units of the nervous system Now this is a neuron. Option A says an axon. Now this is an axon. This 4 here represents an axon. Option B says dendrites. This one here is a dendrite. All these are parts of the neuron. The axon and the dendrites are parts of the neuron. Now E says synapse. Now synapse is formed when this neuron communicates with another neuron, that is communicate to the synaptic cleft of another neuron. Then we say this is a what? This is a synapse. That point, that junction where they communicate is known as a synapse. Then this is reflex arc. Reflex arc is just the pathway of a reflex action. And I believe we know what reflex action are. That is involuntary action that is not controlled by we don't control these actions. Example is an eject. So the pathway of this reflex action is the reflex arc. But this diagram here is the diagram of the what? Neuron or the nerve cell, and that is option C. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.